feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. But we fell apart just in time.
Hello guys, a warm welcome back to this channel. My name is Maggie, and in case you're new over here, a warm welcome to this channel. I normally get to do lifestyle video and also a bit of DIY, a bit of plugs, that is. So in case you're interested with such topics, kindly consider giving this channel a subscription and also give this video a thumbs up. Giving this video a thumbs up, it's normally free of charge. Aulipishwe hawambui, I don't know what, it's just free of charge. So guys, as you can all recall, maybe for some of you who are here, I was doing a project of which I was trying to make my own dining table from scratch, and finally guys, after I think 2 months, I'm now able to complete the project. The only thing that was remaining is the mirror, and the mirror later last Sunday, that is. I'll just get to share a little clip on here maybe after this video. And so far so good. I can't get to complain about anything. I'll give out the details after I get to show you. And also I just want to do a bit of cleaning in my living room because right now it's just in a mess.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint.
So guys, before I started this project, I never knew it's so super expensive. First of all, the frame pekakili to cost around 13,000 Kenyan shillings, and then when it comes to the mirror, that is because I wanted that type of a dining table, it cost around 15,000. So in total it's about 28k. And obviously kuna hapa na kule some money that you get to use, so tuseme tu yote ni 28, the one that I can get to recall. And also when you're buying a mirror, be careful because mi nilikuwa nimelipia mirror ya 10mm, if you can get to know the sizes of mirrors because inapimangwa na hivi, like 10mm ndio nilikuwa nimelipia. Unfortunately wakaniletea 8mm, so whenever you get to purchase a mirror, kindly be careful because at least nilipata receipt ya kutoka the company that was finishing the mirror. Yeah, so at least walinirudishia do yangu around 2,000. So I don't think kuna hasara kubwa hapo, but I was so disappointed because nilikuwa nataka 10mm, and also the good thing is that wamenipatia warranty around 6 months, so I think I'm okay with that. Something else I never knew it's so super expensive. Ni easy viti za dining. The normal ones that you get to know, they get to range for about 3k to 4k. but then Ataka they are a bit higher on that price, so I'll get to organize myself nearby moja moja. Sina pressure, as you can see I'm using the plastic ones at the moment, and as long as I can get to eat from there, do my own working hours ama time yenye nafanya job yangu nikiwa tu hapo hivyo, I careless tutakalia plastic hadi tununue viti pole pole, sina pressure. So yeah, that's all about the dining table. In case you want me to do such a project for you, you can get to contact me. I'm happy in case you can do the project for yourself, well and good, but at least if asked, I will prefer to do the project on your own because it's a bit cheaper. The same type of dining table maybe ingekuwa mpya in a shop kama hizi akina tuck shop, I'm so sure zingekuwa very expensive, around 70k ama hata 80, because this is an inspiration that I saw from Mabel. If you know her from Instagram, she has the same type of a dining table, of which I'll get to praise it here, and I'm so sure it will cost more than 80k, so you can imagine it may save a lot. Yeah, so that's all about the dining table. So guys, it's in the evening. I went to the market early in the day, but when I came back I was having a headache, so I decided to take a nap, of which nimeamka just like about 30 minutes ago. Yeah, so today I just decided, let me just get to share this recipe. Maybe it can be helping you guys out there. Kuna these people who get to cook matumbo, that is nekona that ki taste kia matumbo, you know that ki taste. But worry not, today I'll be showing you how to cook tasty matumbo, so that at least hata ukipikia wageni, they are so soft and sweet. Let me get to show you guys in just a few. The secret, as you can see, this meat equals so white and clean because nimetoa that green stuff yenye inakuanga hapa, of which ndo wacha your taste ya matumbo. And as you can see, nimetoa almost hizi zote. So I was doing it one by one. That's the secret. So let's get to clean this matumbo. Then we get to prepare our supper. And so I'll be using my pressure cooker to boil my matumbo, and I'll set my timer for about 40 minutes or so. Then laterwards I'll be using these ingredients that I had set aside. This is a fresh blended ginger and also garlic and some pili pili, that is, it's freshly blended. Next I have the rosemary and some Royco cubes, of which I won't be using them, all of them that is. Then next I have mixed spices, and the other one is tomatoes. On the other side I have brown vinegar, that is, actually this is so good because it gets to leave your food to be very thick. Next I have soy sauce, of which soy sauce is the sweetest thing ever you can get to put in your meat. And next, vegetable oil. So let's get to cook. After my onions get to turn golden brown, I'll add my tomatoes, and laterwards get to add my matumbo, that is. And also I'll get to add now my ingredients over here, so that they can get to blend in with the whole entire meal, the matumbo, the tomatoes, everything. So yeah, after that I just get to let them simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, so that the spices can get to cook well. And after my matumbo is ready, I'm just going to cook my vegetables because I love not skuma wiki, but I love greens in general. Yeah, I love greens so much. Like I can get to eat greens the whole week. So I normally get to put the tomatoes just above them so that they can get to steam up and they get to taste very well badala ya kwanza na na tomatoes. Wow, look at that food, 10/10. Let me know what you think about the outcome in the comment section, because I think I really tried. And yeah, my friend here as you can see alishiba matumbo hadi akajisahau, but anyway, that's the recipe. I hope that you're going to try, and also let me know what you think about the recipe in the comment section below. And so we come to the end of this video, and before you get to switch off from this channel, kindly get to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also guys, I have some exciting news. On my other channel, that is on my first channel, I had posted about Jackie's place. She gets to sell ex-UK items, of which I'll be reviewing them very soon, likely next week ama ningoje mzigo yake come, because she gets to nikaa venye unasikianga mtu ana open bail, so yake anafungwa bail ya ex-UK items, that is utensils, kids items like bites, vitu kama hizo, like a lot of household items, of which they are ex-UK, and you all know that ex-UK items, they are so legit, that is. And maybe probably that will be on my next vlog, kwanza to clear the stock, then when the stock gets to come, I think I'll upload another video so that you get to visit her shop in Vika and also in Roysambu. Unapata glass inaenda na 100 bob, 70 bob, so stick to this channel. Then I think probably, God willing, next week. And yeah, that's all. And also let me know if when you get to try my recipe. And that's all about today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and let me get to see you on my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and God bless you.